Um, let's quickly go into the business of the day. Is actually the market outlook for the week. So I'm just gonna give out basically only four pairs. Only four pairs. So though I have a lot of pairs I'm looking at, but I'm giving out only four pairs for the week. And currently let's look at Euro GBP and let's see what the market has for us on the very pair. So currently I'm on trading view on Euro GBP, and okay, this is Euro GBP. Okay, this is on the 4 hours time frame. Though the market to some extent has kicked off. Last week we had this kind of this crazy impulsive move after the fundamental was released on GBP, and that's quite massive. And though it reflected negatively on the Euro GBP pair. But however, the market gave the impulsive move, and on the gradual stride, we've returned back to the order block that sponsored the very move. And so currently, on the 1 hour time frame, the market has kicked off. Actually, he stepped into the very order block and moved out. So our target is somewhere around here, and but I strongly believe that this space is going to give some kind of pullback for some re-entry, and but however, learn to lock in your profits, secure the move. You don't predict the market and you don't move the market. So currently these are our targets, and on the risk to reward is roughly 1:3. So let's see how it goes. Risking roughly 15 pips for 58 pips. However, we're looking out for two things: an extra opportunity for a re-entry, and never you forget to lock in some profits, and learn to lock in some profit using the knowledge of session trading. So this is it, from this zone to this zone. As simple as that. Keep it simple, please. The goal is to keep it simple. Never letting the market or make your chart look complicated. The more complicated it looks, you trying to sound sophisticated, the more confused you become. So let's jump into another pair for the week. We'll be looking at Euro JPY. Euro JPY. So let me quickly jump into the 4 hours. Let's see. On the 4 hours, we have this supply zone, and the market is actually heading into that zone. So this is going to be a point of interest, zone of interest, level of interest, whatever you want to call it. Forget about the terminology. All we are looking at is the price action. So let's see what the market is going to do when it gets into this very zone. But currently, whenever the market gets into this very zone, I'm going to be looking to short this pair. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at trying to sell this pair. So from this zone, I will be targeting this very order block down here. From this zone, I'll be targeting this very order block down here. So that's it. Targeting this very order block down here. Let's see what the market is gonna give. Remember, I don't know your entry criteria. I'm not giving you my entry criteria. Risk what you can afford to lose. Tailor your entry criteria to fit into your risk appetite. So I'm looking at the zone. Please don't look at this. When you look at my risk is look like 84 pips. Please, I'm not risking 84 pips. The market has not given me any entry signal, and I'll start searching for entry signal when I am in the zone. Please. So we jump into the 1 hour. When we jump into the 1 hour, we'll see something. When we jump into the 1 hour, we'll see something. On the 1 hour, you'll notice that let me take this back this way. So on the 1 hour, we were waiting for the kind of we're waiting for the market to give us this kind of entry signal. So that's why never you forget, always learn to refine your zone, your levels of interest, POI, whatsoever. So when you refine it only when the market has given you this. Before the entry criteria, you refine it, and what I mean is this: before the market gets into the zone, make sure it's refined. Your point of interest is refined. And when your point of interest is definitely refined, you wait for market price action to step into the zone. And when price action steps into that very zone, you trade what you see. You trade not what you think or what you expect. You watch price action, make sure it aligns with your entry criteria. So you're fixing your risk appetite, and you make sure everything fixes into your risk appetite, and you pull the trigger. You determine how much you are willing to lose. So currently I am looking at this pair and looking at the market to give me some kind of price action whatsoever when it gets into this very place. So I wouldn't want to waste much time. Let me quickly jump into the next pair of interest. We've looked at Euro GBP, we've looked at Euro JPY, and let me say I think there should be something coming up on card or something like that. Okay, Euro card, yeah. So this is Euro card actually. This is a demand zone, and okay, let me take this out. There's a demand zone, and we can see this control liquidity. So let's see what the market is gonna do. We can expect something. So maybe the market may do something from this level, but we don't really know. We don't really care for now. But currently we're looking at this, and so we're looking at this currently, and let's see what the market is going to do when it gets into that very level. So it doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to do this or that when it gets into here, but it simply means that the moment the market gets into this very zone, I'll be targeting this 15 minutes POI up here. But the moment the market steps into this zone, I should be looking for an entry criteria. So making sure that the moment the price action meets with my entry criteria, I'm going to pull the trigger for long. I'll buy, and believe me, I'll hold all through into these very points, and looking forward to get them 266 pips. So that's just it. It's not fixed. It doesn't mean my entry is fixed. It just means that I start looking for entry when I'm here or here. But for now, my eyes on this. So as I said earlier, this is for the week, and let's look at. I think I should have something on GBP. GBP, okay. That should be GBP card thing. Okay, this is the 4 hours. Currently, the bears are in charge. If you look at the chart, it's gonna be clear to you that the bears are in charge. So we should be looking at where is my shot? We should be looking at this level. We should be looking at this level from here, and we should be targeting somewhere this low. Okay, yeah, somewhere this low. So let me take this to the 1 hour so that things might appear clearer. So I'll be looking for a short when the market steps into this level, and that's all for now. The moment the market steps into this level, I'll start looking for a short, and I'll be targeting this very, very low here. So I keep saying it, keep it simplified. Don't keep the market complicated. Just keep it simplified as much as you can. So that's all for now. Only this 4 pair. Keep your eyes on this 4 pair for the week, and let's see what the market is gonna give. And all the best. I wish you the best. So that's all for now. Thank you.